Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Use these 7 tips to make sailing and cruising safer this season for your sailing crew. Post how-to instructions for marine sanitation devices, galley stove operation, and VHF radio operation. Show your crew how to operate each device. Make sure that you emphasize the all-important final step to prevent emergencies. For example, when done using a marine toilet, close the intake seacock to prevent flooding. When finished with a propane stove, ventilate the galley to get rid of dangerous gas vapors. Go over the intended sailing tracks with your crew. Mark your charts with permanent labeled magnetic compass courses. This keeps your sailing crew in the loop should you become incapacitated. Circle harbors of refuge or emergency anchorages along the way. Set up a watch schedule for overnight cruises. In fair to moderate weather, make these no longer than 4 hours. Reduce watch time in extreme weather conditions. Lash drawers, lockers, and hatches before you cast off. Use bungee cord or twine, and stuff foam or clean rags in rattle zones such as flatware drawers or canned food lockers. Instruct your crew to come aboard with a full set of foul weather gear. This includes jacket, trousers, and sea boots. Staying dry boosts the morale of any boat crew. Rig jacklines, which are long lengths of webbing that run from bow to stern on both sides of the boat. Instruct your crew to clip onto the windward jackline when going forward in heavy weather. Reef or reduce sail before nightfall. It's safer and easier to tuck a reef into the main before sunset. Now you know 7 ways to prepare you and your sailing crew for safer sailing this season. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.